Singawal, located in the Kekri region of Rajasthan, is home to India's first regional driving training center, RDTC, established under the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways Initiative. This center aims to enhance road safety by providing quality training to commercial vehicle drivers. In January 2025, the Singawal RDTC received international recognition, as per an agreement between the Indian and Saudi Arabian governments. Indian drivers aspiring to work in Saudi Arabia are now required to pass a mandatory driving test at this center. This collaboration ensures that only qualified drivers obtain the necessary licenses and visas for employment in Saudi Arabia. The center offers various training programs, including induction courses for heavy and light motor vehicle driving, instructor training, and refresher courses. It also conducts tests for organizations seeking to hire drivers, thereby contributing to improved road safety and mobility.